Assalamu alaikum. My name is Muhammad and I am from Sahiwal. I am currently undergoing teacher training at Rehan School. Today we will be discussing this particular topic. Discuss how to master time management in what is time management in daily life.
Time management in daily life refers to the process of planning and controlling how much time you dedicate to specific activities or tasks throughout the day. It involves setting priorities, organizing tasks, and allocating time effectively to ensure that you achieve your goals. Good time management allows you to reduce stress, increase productivity, and create a balanced life by ensuring that both personal and professional responsibilities get the attention they need.
Why is time management important for students and professionals?
Time management is crucial for both students and professionals because it enables them to meet deadlines, balance multiple responsibilities, and reduce feelings of being overwhelmed. For students, it helps them allocate time for study, revision, and extracurriculars, ensuring academic success. For professionals, it ensures that projects, meetings, and personal development goals are met efficiently, which ultimately boosts productivity, career growth, and overall life satisfaction.
How can time management improve productivity?
Time management improves productivity by ensuring that you focus on the most important tasks first, reducing wasted time on distractions or less critical activities. By planning your day, setting clear goals, and allocating specific time slots to tasks, you minimize procrastination and create a sense of structure. This allows you to accomplish more in less time, maintain focus, and achieve better results in both short and long term goals.
What are the main causes of poor time management?
Time management often include lack of clear goals, procrastination, distractions such as social media or unnecessary multitask effectively. Without a structured plan or a realistic assessment of how long things take, people tend to overcommit or leave tasks until the last minute, resulting in poor time management overall.
How can a daily routine help in managing time? What are the main causes of poor time management?
The main time management typically involves a few key factors. First, a lack of clear goals or priorities means people don't know what tasks matter most. Procrastination can derail progress, will delay tasks until the last minute. Third, constant distractions such as digital devices or interruptions break focus. Poor estimation of how long tasks take leads to overcommitment. Finally, a lack of structure or routine means tasks are inconsistently planned, resulting in wasted time and inefficiency.
What are the benefits of planning tasks in advance?
Planning tasks in advance offers a range of powerful benefits. First, it gives you a clear roadmap so you know exactly what needs to be done and when, reducing stress about uncertainty. Second, it allows for better prioritization, ensuring that important tasks are tackled first. Third, it helps you allocate resources, whether that's time, energy, or focus, more efficiently. If you reduce the of last minute rush or missed deadline. Finally, it boosts productivity as you have a purposeful plan, which keeps you on track and moving steadily towards your goals.
How can setting goals improve time management?
Setting goals significantly improves management because it gives your day a clear sense of purpose and direction. By having specific measurables, you can identify exactly what tasks will move you closer to success. This focus prevents aimless activity and allows you to prioritize effectively. Moreover, goals you break down large tasks into smaller steps, making them more manageable and ensuring that each step aligns with your overall timeline, thus optimizing how you use your time every day.
Why is punctuality important in life?
Functionality is important in life because it ensures and habits we rely on actually serve their intended purpose efficiently and effectively. When things are functional, we spend less time troubleshooting or dealing with obstacles and more time focusing on truly matters. routines, work processes, or even technology. Functionality helps us achieve goals, stay organized, and make use of our time and energy.
How can making time how can making a timetable save time?
Making a timetable saves time by providing a structured plan that allocates specific blocks for each task, preventing time wasted on deciding what to do next. It ensures that you prioritize essential activities so you avoid last minute rushes and reduce idle time. By seeing your day laid out, you can balance different responsibilities, stay on track, and avoid overcommitting, ultimately freeing up time for what matters most.
What role does discipline play in time management?
A timeline play in time management is essentially a method where you create a visual representation of your tasks over time, often using a timeline or schedule format. It allows you to see when tasks should start and finish, helping you box, balance workload, and ensure that your day or project stays on track. By mapping out time visually, you reduce guesswork and ensure a more organized approach.
How can avoiding procrastination help us succeed?
Avoiding procrastination helps us succeed by allowing us to take consistent action toward our goals, rather than delaying important tasks until the last minute. When we tackle tasks promptly, we reduce stress, avoid a buildup of work, and create a sense of momentum. This steady progress means we have more time to refine our work, meet deadlines, and ultimately achieve better results, building confidence and long term success.
What are some effective ways to prioritize tasks?
Effective ways to prioritize tasks include using the Eisenhower matrix, where you categorize tasks by urgency and importance, focusing first on high impact items. You can also rank tasks by deadlines, ensuring time sensitive tasks come first. And that is take down large projects into smaller steps, prioritize them based on logical order. Additionally, considering the effort versus reward balance helps you choose tasks that offer the greatest benefit for the time invested.
How can technology help in managing time?
Technology helps in managing time by providing tools that automate and organize tasks. Calendar apps, for example, let you schedule events, reminders, and allocate time blocks for deep work. Project management software helps you break large goals into manageable tasks with deadlines. Time tracking apps monitor how you spend your time, revealing where it's wasted. Overall, technology provides structure, reminders, and insight, allowing you to optimize your daily schedule.
What are the disadvantages of wasting time?
The disadvantages of wasting time are significant. First, it leads to missed opportunities as important tasks and goals get delayed or neglected. Second, it increases stress because tasks pile up to complete them effectively. Third, it hampers personal and professional growth as you fail to develop skills or meet milestones. Finally, it drains energy and motivation and making it harder to stay focused and productive in the long term.
How can students balance study and leisure time?
Maintaining a balance between study and leisure time is crucial because it prevents burnout and keeps you motivated. When you incorporate breaks and downtime, you recharge your mental energy, which improves focus and productivity sessions. A balanced routine also ensures you have time for personal growth, relaxation, and social connections, all of which contribute to better long term well being and academic performance.
Why is it important to complete work on time?
Completing work on time is important because it builds trust and reliability, whether with colleagues, teachers, or clients. Timely delivery shows commitment. It also reduces stress as last minute rushes and missed deadlines are avoided. Furthermore, it gives you time to review and improve your work, ensures smoother workflow, and allows others to plan ahead, creating an overall more efficient and productive environment.
How can a calendar help in organizing tasks?
A calendar helps in organizing tasks by providing a clear visual layout of your schedule so you can see what needs to be done and when. It allows you to allocate time blocks for each set reminders and avoid over keeping all your commitments in one place. You ensure balance, reduce the risk for deadline, a routine that keeps you on track.
What are the qualities of a person with good time management skills?
A person with good time management skills typically has strong self discipline, allowing them to stay focused and avoid distractions. They are also organized, keeping a clear plan or schedule. They prioritize tasks effectively, knowing which items need immediate attention. Additionally, they set realistic goals, avoid procrastination, and regularly review and adjust their plans, ensuring they stay aligned with their goals.
How does time management reduce stress?
Time management reduces stress by giving you a sense of control over your day. When you know what tasks you have and when you'll complete them, you avoid the last minute scramble and the anxiety of forgotten deadlines. By planning ahead, you can break big projects into steps, ensuring you have buffer time for unexpected issues. This predictability helps you stay calm, focused, and confident as you meet your responsibilities.
How can multitasking affect productivity?
Multitasking can negatively affect productivity because it's making it harder to concentrate fully on any one task. This often leads to more mistakes, slower completion, and a shallower understanding of each task. Instead, focusing on one thing at a time allows you to work more efficiently, produce higher quality results, and ultimately get tasks done faster with less mental fatigue.
Why should we set deadlines for our tasks?
We should set deadlines for our tasks because they create a sense of urgency and help us stay focused and motivated. Deadlines provide a clear time frame, preventing tasks from being endlessly delayed. They also help us prioritize, ensuring we tackle critical tasks first. Furthermore, deadlines keep us accountable, helping us manage our time better, track progress, and achieve goals in a timely manner.
How can morning habits influence time management?
Morning habits can greatly influence time management because they set the tone for the entire day. By waking up at a consistent time and having a structured morning routine, such as exercise, planning, or focused work, you start the day with clarity and purpose. This early structure helps you handle tasks more efficiently, reduces decision fatigue, and allows you to tackle important priorities before other distractions.
What is the importance of taking breaks while working?
Taking breaks while working is important because it helps prevent mental fatigue and burnout. Regular pauses allow your brain to rest, which improves focus, creativity, and overall productivity when you return. Breaks also help you manage stress, as stepping away briefly can give you a fresh perspective and renewed energy, making you more efficient and engaged in your work.
How can time management improve academic performance?
Time management improves academic performance by ensuring that students allocate for studying, and revision, reducing last minute cramming and stress. By organizing tasks and setting specific goals, students can balance coursework, extracurriculars, and personal life. This structured approach allows for deeper learning, better retention of material, and more consistent progress toward academic success.
How can employees benefit from effective time management?
Employees benefit from effective time management in several ways. First, they become more productive as they complete tasks efficiently and meet deadlines consistently. Second, it reduces stress. They have a clear plan and avoid minute pressures. Third, it improves work quality as they have more time to focus and avoid rushing. Finally, it supports a healthier work life balance as they can finish tasks on time, leaving space for personal life and well being.
What is the relationship between success and time management?
The relationship between success and time management is direct because success often depends on how effectively you use your time. People who manage their time well set clear goals, prioritize tasks, and consistently take steps toward those goals. By staying organized and focused, they accomplish more in less time, overcome obstacles efficiently, and maintain steady progress, which ultimately drives them toward success.
How can organizing your workspace save time?
Organizing your workspace saves time by reducing the time you spend on tools, documents, or supplies. When everything has a designated place, you can quickly access what you need, stay unnecessary interruptions. A tidy workspace also promotes mental clarity, allowing you to prioritize tasks more effectively and maintain a smooth work, ultimately saving you time and effort.
Why is it important to avoid distractions?
Avoiding distractions is important because they fragment your focus, making tasks take longer and reducing the quality of your work. When you minimize interruptions, you stay in a state of deep concentration, allowing you to complete tasks more efficiently and with greater accuracy. This focus not only saves time, but also helps you achieve better results and maintain a steady workflow.
How can social media waste valuable time?
Social media can waste valuable time in several ways. First, it offers endless scrolling, where users get pulled into short term entertainment and lose track of time. Second, notifications constantly interrupt focus, pulling you away from deep work or important tasks. Third, it creates a false sense of productivity, as people often mistake time spent online as networking or staying informed, when in fact, it's often a distraction. As a result, this time spent on social media takes away from meaningful work, personal goals, and even offline relationships, ultimately making you less productive and more fragmented in your focus.
How can time management improve personal life?
Time management can significantly improve personal life by creating a sense of balance and intentionality. When you manage your time well, you ensure that personal priorities like family, hobbies, rest, and self care get dedicated time. This reduces the feeling of being constantly rushed or overwhelmed. With better time allocation, you can be more present in daily life, pursue passions, and foster deeper relationships, leading to greater satisfaction and well being.
Why should people make a to-do list?
People should make to do lists because they provide clarity on what needs to be accomplished, ensuring nothing important is forgotten. They help prioritize tasks so you focus on the most important or urgent items first. By breaking down big goals into manageable steps, they reduce overwhelm and provide a sense of progress as you check off completed tasks. Overall, to do lists keep you organized, motivated, and in control of your daily responsibilities.
How can time management help in achieving long-term goals?
Time management is essential for achieving long term goals because it breaks down large ambitions into smaller, actionable steps and allocates time to work on them consistently. By prioritizing these steps daily or weekly, you ensure steady progress even when the goal is far off. It prevents procrastination by keeping the focus on daily actions, and it allows you to adjust course as needed, ensuring that your long term vision remains achievable and within reach.
How can effective communication save time?
Effective communication saves time by reducing misunderstandings and the need for repeated clarifications. When expectations, instructions, and feedback are clear, tasks are completed more accurately and efficiently, eliminating rework or wasted effort. It also ensures that everyone is aligned on priorities, preventing unnecessary meetings or misdirected work. Ultimately, by communicating clearly, you streamline collaboration, avoid delays, and keep projects moving smoothly.
What is the importance of balance in personal and professional life?
Balance in personal and professional life is crucial because it prevents burnout and ensures well being. When both aspects are in balance, you have the mental and emotional space to thrive at work while also nurturing personal relationships and self care. This balance enhances productivity as you're more focused and energized, and it fosters long term satisfaction, ensuring that success in one area doesn't come at the expense of the other.
How can students prepare proper study schedule?
Students can prepare a proper study schedule by first identifying all their classes, assignments, and exams, and then setting clear goals for what they need to accomplish each day or week. They should prioritize tasks based on deadlines and difficulty, leaving enough time for revision. Using a calendar or planner, they can block out specific study periods, incorporate breaks, and build in time for rest and extracurriculars. By sticking to this balanced routine, they ensure steady progress and
What are the effects of laziness on time management?
laziness can have a significant negative effect on time management because it leads to procrastination and the delay of important tasks. When tasks pile up, it creates stress and last minute pressure, making it harder to be efficient. Over time, laziness can erode productivity as important goals remain unmet and small tasks build up, ultimately preventing progress and reducing overall success.
How can decision making skills save time?
Decision making skills save time by allowing you to quickly choose the best course of action without endless deliberation. When you can evaluate options efficiently, you avoid wasted time second guessing or getting stuck in analysis paralysis. This means tasks are completed faster, projects move forward, and you can dedicate more energy to execution rather than endless pondering.
Why is consistency important in time management?
Consistency is important in time management because it creates reliable habits, ensuring that productive routines are followed day after day. When you consistently allocate time for important tasks, you build momentum, and progress toward goals becomes steady and predictable. This prevents the chaos of last minute rushes and allows you to balance both short term demands and long term aspirations, fostering sustained success.
How can teamwork improve uh, efficiency and save time?
Teamwork improves efficiency and saves time because it allows tasks to be divided based on each member's strengths. So work is completed faster and with better quality. When team members communicate effectively and collaborate, they avoid duplication of effort and reduce delays caused by miscommunication. Ultimately, teamwork fosters innovation, keeps projects moving, and allows for quick problem solving, saving valuable time along the way.
What role does motivation play in time management?
Motivation plays a critical role in time management because it drives you to start tasks, stay focused, and push through challenges. When you're motivated, you naturally allocate your time more effectively, making sure important goals don't get sidelined. Motivation also fuels consistency, as you stay committed to your plan even when obstacles arise. In this way, motivation acts as the engine that keeps your time management efforts on track and purposeful.
How can time management build self confidence?
Time management builds self confidence by showing you that you can set goals and achieve them consistently. When you manage your time well, you meet deadlines, stay organized, and avoid last minute panic, all of which reinforce a sense of control and capability. Each small success boosts your belief in your ability to handle tasks, which motivates you to take on bigger challenges and trust yourself more in both personal and professional areas.
How can what are some habits of highly organized people?
Highly organized people tend to have a few key habits. First, they plan ahead, often using calendars or lists to map out their tasks. Second, they prioritize effectively, tackling important items first. Third, they keep their physical and digital spaces tidy so everything has a place. Fourth, they set routines, ensuring consistency in their daily tasks. Finally, they regularly review their progress, making adjustments so they stay on track and keep their goals aligned.
How can proper sleep improve productivity and time management?
Proper sleep improves productivity and time management because it enhances focus, decision making, and overall mental clarity. When you're well rested, you complete tasks faster, make fewer mistakes, and avoid the drag of fatigue that leads to wasted time. Sleep also boosts motivation and mood, so you approach your day with more energy, making it easier to stay on schedule and manage time effectively.
Why is it important to focus on one task at a time?
Focusing on one task at a time is important because it allows you to give your full attention to that task, which improves the quality of your work and reduces errors. It also speeds up completion, as you don't waste time constantly switching between tasks and refocusing. Moreover, it reduces mental fatigue, increases satisfaction as you complete tasks fully, and helps you stay more engaged and productive throughout the day.
How can managing time load to a happier life?
Managing time leads to a happier life because it reduces stress and creates a sense of balance. When you allocate time for both responsibilities and personal joys, you avoid feeling overwhelmed. You also have time for hobbies, relationships, and self care, all of which boost happiness. Ultimately, time management gives you a sense of control over your life, allowing you to pursue what matters most and enjoy each day more fully.
What lessons can we learn from successful people about time management?
We can learn several lessons from successful people about time management. First, they often set clear goals, which give their time direction and purpose. Second, they prioritize ruthlessly, focusing on high impact tasks. Third, they build routines so important habits happen automatically. They also limit distractions, staying focused on what matters. Finally, they regularly reflect and adjust, learning from each day to improve their future time management strategies.
How can effective planning help in emergencies?
Effective planning helps in emergencies by providing a clear, structured response. When you have a plan, you know exactly what steps to take, who to contact, and what resources are needed, which saves crucial time, minimizes confusion, ensures safety protocols are followed, and allows for quick, decisive action, reducing chaos and risk when unexpected situations arise.
What are your what are your personal strategies for mastering time management in daily life?
Yeah, so one of my personal strategies is planning my day the night before, just jotting down my top priorities and tasks. I also block out time for focused work, so I keep distractions at bay during those periods, and I build in breaks so I don't burn out. Plus, I like to review at the end of the day, see what worked, and adjust for the next day so I stay on track.